Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy. It's another great day in real estate. So I'm over here in Pflugerville today, and this particular area has soft soil. And so during the last few summers with the droughts and the really dry summers that we've had, it's caused some foundation issues. And in this particular house, we knew it had some foundation issues starting. So we knew we were going to have to deal with it when the tenants moved out. And in this particular case, it was pretty bad. You can see this crap right here behind me. Some of the cracking here. It's all over this house. And inside, outside, the expansion joints are blown out. It's 4 inches back in this back corner and 3.5 inches in the front corner, and the whole house just kind of sagged, and it's in bad shape. But that can be corrected. So I'm here checking it out. We're going to see where things are at. We're getting it ready to put back on the market after it gets fixed. So let's see where we're at. Digging all the holes back here. All the pilings here. So you can see over here on this side where this expansion joint was really pulled apart as the house kind of fell on the front and the back side, right? So there's some brickwork that's going to have to be done here after this house is leveled. This house, it doesn't have any gutters, and gutters can be a really good preventative measure against foundation sag, against, making sure that the water around your house is proper flow around it, the moisture in the foundation, as well as a sprinkler system. A sprinkler system can really help, or at least making sure you're watering the grass enough to keep moisture in the soil. Now, sometimes under super drought conditions, that's next to impossible, but here, sometimes you can add some preventative measures to prevent stuff like this from happening. Now, they are going to have to come on the inside of this house and put piers inside as well. So this flooring is going to have holes punched all in it on the inside, probably within the next day or so. So after this house gets leveled, we're also going to have to come inside, redo all the flooring, and give it a fresh coat of paint as well. All right, since we are already going to have to do flooring in this place because they're punching holes in the floor, and painted all of the walls because there's cracks in just about every wall. And this thing, as they settle it up, more of that stuff, we're going to have more cracks. So we're going to have to redo all of that anyway. Kitchen cabinets, they're pretty nice, but I think we could dress it up maybe a little bit with some nicer countertops. We'll come in here, put some ceiling fans, dress, some light fixtures and stuff like that, make it a little bit nicer so we can get top dollar rent out of this place. So again, thank you for watching my video blog. I'm Kevin McCarthy. It's another great day in real estate. I love this business. And if you have any questions related to real estate, rental property, buying a home, selling a property, you want a market impact report for how the market is impacting you right now, I would love to visit with you. And hey, let's grab a cup of coffee or have a Zoom call and chat about it. Peace.